Come in. Come in.
You know we good at that, man. I'm a fucking gallery. What I said? You live in the forest gate. I put stuff on this long on these Birmingham. I got the video for it. I got the evidence. Go bar skinny Wally, who's the president? You're just around London. I'm around the world. And Australia, boy, I've been around the girl. I outplayed you, brother. Hell, I made you, brother. And then show wherever I outstage you, brother. Shit. You know what time it is, man. Shit. You know I'm going on tour, right? Yo, link you up in Hazel. Sit back, real. You can have my fate. Help you sign it, too. And I'm a skinny one, you, brother. Hell, I made you, brother. And then show wherever I outstage you, brother. Shit. I shot a few link up freestyle, I have to shine. When I started rapping, I kissed the girls to get some. I'm so proud to say, but I cry sometimes. Don't forget the
saasay wax u dhaceen xabtiina waan ka xumaay saaxiibkayba
sida kaliya aad ka badbaadaysaa waxa weeye inaad raggii dilay walaalkay taqaanay mid iigu sheegtay si aan uga argto adiga haddii kala madaxaan kaa tooganaya wallah
Kanmiya ekasmiya kanmiya ekasmiya kewaye kanmiya ekasmiya kanmiya ekasmiya kewaye kursiga kila kene makora kila dorta makora kila kene makora kila dorta makora ke kora e kursiga ne ke kora kulligena makore ne kursiga ke kora e kursiga ne ke kora kulligena makore ne kursiga
أنا صاحب كان مثلا سوي كنت حاجة دوني أنا كذي مثلا أنا سوين كتور سيكس جروب قال حاجة لي على سيكس B7 قبل ما تنتهي
kanmiya ekasmiya kanmiya ekasmiya kewaye kanmiya ekasmiya kanmiya ekasmiya kewaye kursiga
Hello. جمال ايوه رمضان
هذه وقت اللي قمار كبري هاي حاجات كنا على اليوم
ها برادة خوغا يربيزي أنا هاي ناس شفتها وكل شيء مركا أربعة هنا لا تعدي لها
واتشغلت اوكي واروح عادي لو واحد طلع سوق او سيارة سموتي لكن سيدا دا سوقين سيدا عادي سكول شغلها صعب
اوكي ذكرت بن آدم غير جوب حما يبادي ملا بسوق ويني قولان دشيني لكن كنا صنعنا هذا
Some say eating niggas beats like I'm at the buffet. Sharper than a motherfucker, dressed like it's Sunday. But I don't really preach, I put my semen on the beat. We eating on the streets, your vegans know I'm beef. All about the green, no I'm not Irish. Fuck being a gangster, label me a pirate. Mr. Jackson, bone marrow, so you can meet the fuckers too. De Niro, delivery hard as y'all know. Pause for the photo, my underwear is polo. Keep it on the low though, and I got the ring on. Call me young Frodo. Man, I'm so deaf.
marmar xakaas istaagan habeenkii isku yimaadaan marmarna way kala duwan yihiin sababna meelo badan bay isugu niman hubaysan weyn intii iyo waxay haystaan barsooladiyo waxaa marka wallahi halis weeyaan waxaan kugula talin lahaa wallahi waxaan kugula talin lahaa inaad
shit. Catch me with an apron. Now I got attention like a Muslim with a bacon. Your boy's still a Muslim, I just have to make a statement. Moby Dick nigga, I got a third leg. And every bitch I fuck
saaxiib anu ma
with
rabo inay wejigayga arkaan ya halkan aan kaaga hadhay anugu
Rap on a road, life is a bitch. Like I tell my brother, we born like the Wayans, so now we live in color. Girls gone wild, Black Joe Francis, always out of state, probably up in Kansas, fucking with them blondes, just me and my manses. Cause they always love a Molly nigga with no accent. Homie, I'm just macking, no suitcase, I told the bitch I'm packing. Swag up the ass, I don't mean to rub it in. Hoes call me Glade, all I do is plug it in. Not a gentleman, Kobe with the pen. Nigga, guess again, 10 out of 10. And I got rice, no Uncle Ben. Yeah, K's Anatomy, nigga. Season 2, motherfucker. Y'all ain't ready though. Y'all ain't ready though.
By who?
Some guy.
Talk about, man. There ain't no one in here, man. Chill. There's no one here. Where you come from?
I was getting chased the whole time, man. Just coming around the corner.
Sit. Listen, man. It's late. There's no one around this time, man. What time is it now?
About 1 o'clock.
Man, you should get the fuck out of me. I'm trying to sleep here, man.
Yeah.
It's time to go.
See?
There's no one here, man. Relax. Relax. Drop the gun. Who are you? Turn around. Who are you?
I'm Glenn's brother.
Who the fuck is this, man? What are you doing here coming to my house this time?
I was looking for you.
Me? You looking for
That's
me?
right. Yeah, I heard you killed my brother.
Yeah, nigga, I do kill your brother. That little nigga was a bitch, man. I told him not to play with me, man. I trusted that nigga, man. But he came here and slapped my back. What you want?
I want to kill you.
You wanna kill me? You wanna kill me, nigga? Me?